Well, we read on like a paper about like questions we had, and we like researched about stuff, about how like
how it got
started.
founded, and what time of period did it get found, and then 3 important events about it. They make a lot of paint. Probably that cutting machine, the thing that just sliced it right down.
Mine's probably the part where we got to like see how the paint was made and stuff, because that was really cool.
They were asking about workplace injuries. They were asking about college degrees and training. They were asking our demographics, how many employees do you have? How many of those are women? How many of those are men? I don't remember thinking of that as a 6th grader. I just thought, oh, they make a cool product. And they were intrigued by our product, but they were very intrigued by our process and how we get to that product, which is, I think, awesome for that age.
I was surprised by how much paper they had, because they said they could reach to California.
I was surprised how much they produce, about 150,000 gallons or more paint in a year.
It was colorful because we got to see a whole lot of different colors, and a whole lot of like dark colors, bright colors, and like normal colors. It was just cool.
Probably amazing, because it's you get to see all the stuff, how they actually make paint and stuff.
Knowing what opportunities there are for employment and training in your local community. These are the next generation of kids. Hopefully I'm here long enough that eventually their names cross my desk as potential applicants because of what they saw here today, or the excitement that they had, and they thought, oh, I really want to work in that industry. And just being able to explain to them, there are so many different paths in life after high school, and just exposing them to that and saying, it's not the cookie cutter, this, or this. Create your own. Even the idea of next gen, just the next generation, and investing in that.